Most survival knives will fail you when it matters most, but this one, survivalists, bushcrafters, and even military professionals keep coming back to it again and again. The Morakniv Garberg isn't just a knife, it's the last blade you'll ever need. Here's exactly why. The first thing you'll notice is its rugged construction. The Garberg features a 4.3-inch full-tang blade made from premium Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel, a steel well known for its excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. Unlike many outdoor knives with hidden tangs, the Garberg's full tang runs through the entire handle, giving it incredible strength for demanding survival tasks. The blade measures approximately 3.2 millimeters thick, making it sturdy enough for heavy-duty work without feeling overly bulky.
One of the Garberg's biggest strengths is its classic Scandinavian grind. This grind excels at woodworking, feather sticks, carving, and bushcraft projects. It bites into wood naturally and offers outstanding control, making it a favorite among experienced outdoorsmen. Even beginners quickly appreciate how easy the blade is to guide through detailed cutting tasks. This knife isn't built just for looks. Need to split wood? The Garberg handles batoning with confidence. Need to carve tent stakes? It does it effortlessly. Need to prepare food around camp? The razor-sharp edge slices cleanly. The exposed steel pommel also allows you to strike fire steels efficiently or perform light hammering tasks when necessary. It's designed to perform when conditions become challenging.
The Morakniv designed the handle for serious outdoor use. The textured polymer grip remains secure even when wet, muddy, or while wearing gloves. Its ergonomic shape reduces hand fatigue during extended carving sessions, while the finger guard adds confidence when performing controlled cuts. Comfort is one area where the Garberg consistently impresses users. The Garberg is available with several sheath configurations, including leather and the versatile multi-mount system. The multi-mount offers multiple carry positions and attachment options, making it easy to secure on backpacks, belts, molly gear, or vehicles. This flexibility makes the knife even more attractive for hikers, campers, bushcrafters, and survival professionals. One reason the Garberg has built such a loyal following is reliability. Its stainless steel resists rust exceptionally well, making it ideal for humid forests, rainy weather, or coastal adventures. Owners often report years of hard use, with minimal maintenance beyond basic sharpening and cleaning. This is a knife built to last for decades.
The Morakniv Garberg is an excellent choice for anyone wanting one dependable outdoor knife. Whether you're an experienced outdoorsman or building your first serious survival kit, the Garberg offers outstanding value. Pros and cons. Premium Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel. Extremely durable full-tang construction. Excellent Scandi grind for bushcraft. Comfortable ergonomic handle. Reliable fire steel compatibility. Slightly heavier than entry-level Mora knives. Scandi grind isn't ideal for every kitchen-style slicing task. Premium price compared to other Mora knife models.
The Morakniv Garberg has earned its reputation through performance, not marketing. It combines premium steel, a bomb-proof full-tang design, outstanding bushcraft performance, and exceptional reliability into one versatile survival knife. If you're looking for a knife that can confidently handle years of outdoor adventures, emergency situations, and everyday camp tasks, the Garberg deserves a place at the top of your shortlist. I'd confidently rate the Morakniv Garberg 9.8 out of 10. It's one of the finest survival knives available today, and an investment that serious outdoor enthusiasts are unlikely to regret. So, Is the Morakniv Garberg worth it? Absolutely. And now you know exactly why survivalists swear by it. If this video helped you, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more honest gear breakdowns. Your next survival essential is just one video away. Don't miss it.